Animals that asked people for help. We all need someone to lift us up or help us sometimes. Animals are no different. Watch these videos to see animals seeking humans for aid or help, and the people actively coming to their rescue. This timber wolf can be seen stuck in a trap made using a metal clasp. Afraid of the man, it started pulling itself away from the man. The landowner saw this and decided to release it back into the wild. The couple rescued the scared bear cub by pulling off the plastic jar stuck on its head. After getting rescued by the couple, the cub swam free.
We saved our little bear.
Look at these men risking their safety to save the frightened dog who got stuck in the middle of a reservoir. Several men made a human chain to safely bring the dog and the man back on the land. This young penguin was swimming for his life, trying to escape the orcas on its tail. The penguin jumped into the boat of the group of explorers enjoying the view. The group quickly grabbed it and saved its life. After finding a lamb stuck in a trench, the toddler made several attempts to pull it out to save its life. After many tries, he succeeded, and the lamb ran free. A calf slipped and fell into an overflowing river before being swept away with the fast-flowing river currents. This man risked his life to rescue the calf as he bravely slips into the river to retrieve the drowning animal before another man helps haul both of them out of the water. Dedicated firefighters are trying their best to receive the smoke-poisoned cat as its owner is frantically crying, scared that she'll lose her furry friend. This poor hawk's claws and paws are entangled in the fishing line. The man carefully removed the net with a knife, allowing the bird to fly free. Look at this young lady jumping in a frozen swimming pool to save her little pup. With plastic waste everywhere, the seal's neck is tangled with a plastic wire. The man cut off the wire to keep the seal safe. This young horse finds itself trapped between the gaps of a wooden bridge.
Peraí que eu vou tentar te ajudar.
The man carefully pulls him out, picks it up, and drops it off safely away from the bridge. This man put an ointment on a 17-day-old gray-headed flying fox who was lying in the arms of its dead mother. Wildlife sanctuary officials rescue this baby elephant from a ditch. The family of wild elephants watches as the baby comes out. The elephants came running toward the baby to make sure it was fine, and then turned their heads to salute the humans for saving their little one. This elephant comes closer to the doctors by itself to receive aid for the bullet injury on its head. Bullet got stuck in the skull, just a fraction of an inch further, and the animal would have been dead. Later, the elephant received successful surgery and now is doing perfectly fine. This man helped a drowning dog by risking his own life. He carefully slid across to rescue it from a hole in the thin ice. Mama duck loses ducklings to storm drain. The man goes down the drain to unite the duck with its ducklings. This man rescues animals from poaching traps. Look how he rescues this lion cub from the metal clasps and sets it free.